Hello children, now we will see decimals in measurement. When we express the smaller unit into higher unit of length, mass, capacity, etc., we use decimals. Okay, first we are going to see measurements of length. You might have gone to a shop where you have seen a salesman using a meter rod. Okay, there if you have noted, the ruler, the big ruler which he is using has markings of 25 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter on it. Okay, this rod is of 1 meter, that is the length of the ruler which the salesman is using is of 1 meter. The scale is divided into 100 equal parts and each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Have you ever seen your scale? The ruler which you use often. Here you may see that this much distance, how much is it? That is your 1 centimeter, right? In 1 centimeter gap, can you see small 10 sections are given? Yes or no? And here the middle line is little bit longer than the other ones. Okay, these two are the longer one, and then this one is little shorter than these two, and then in between small sections are there. Okay, what is the gap, that is what is the distance between these, that is each of the consecutive numbers which you see on the scale, that is your 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, the small sections when you count, they are altogether 10. Okay, and each small section is known as 1 millimeter. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, and you know that what is 1 meter? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, and the distance between two cities, if I want to measure, then I use the bigger unit of length, that is kilometer. That is how much is 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Okay, see the question given here. You have to express 116 millimeters as centimeter using decimals. So first what I need to recall, that is what is the relationship between millimeter and centimeter. That is, I know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, in this scale you have seen the scale which you use it. Okay, so here 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Now I have to express in decimals, and as I explained, that is before decimal point you have to write the bigger unit, and after decimal point you have to write the smaller unit. So now among these two, centimeter and millimeter, which is the bigger unit? That is centimeter is the bigger unit. Okay, so centimeter I should write before decimal point, and after decimal point millimeters I should write, first thing. Now second thing, I have seen that in 10 1 0 is there. That means after decimal point I should have only one digit. Okay, so here when 116 is divided by 10, that is what is the quotient here and what is the remainder here. So last digit 1 0 is there. So last digit comes for the remainder, that is after decimal point you need to write, and before decimal point that is 11. So here 11.6, and you have to write the bigger unit. So here I should write it as centimeter, not the millimeter. Okay, one more question, let us see. Now check this question. Express 11 centimeter 52 millimeters as centimeter using decimals. Now again, you know that what is the relationship? That is 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. First thing. Then I should recall that before decimal point I should write the bigger unit, and after decimal point the smaller unit. So among centimeter and millimeter, centimeter is the bigger unit, so here I should write centimeter and here I should write millimeters. And again I should know that when it comes for millimeter, 10 millimeters in 10 is there. So after decimal point I should have only one digit. Okay, and here when you see this is 52 millimeters. So 52 millimeters, this I can write it as 5 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Why? Because this one 52 millimeters, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So in 10 is there. So last digit, that is 2 is for millimeter and 5 is for centimeter. Or otherwise you may think as 52 divided by 10. Okay, so this comes to 5 centimeter and 2 millimeters. So here this 5 is to be added with this 11. Okay, so what the number becomes here? Instead of 11 centimeter only, don't write it as this one, say 11 centimeter and 52 millimeters. No, this is not the correct way. Okay, because this part again you have to think like this. So when 52 millimeter you have converted, it had come to, or it has reduced to 5 centimeter and 2 millimeter. So 5 centimeter is to be added here. So 11 plus 5 comes to 16.2, and the bigger unit, that is centimeter. I hope this is clear. Now see this question. The length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeters. How much is its length in centimeter? Okay, so now again I have to think of the relationship of these two, and we know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So after decimal point you should have only one digit. Okay, so here in 65, when 65 is divided by 10, what is the remainder? 5, that is for millimeter part. And what is the quotient? That is 6, that is your centimeter part. So here you can write it as 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now coming to the next question, see this one. The length of Sonal's notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. What is the length in centimeter? Now again, what is the relationship between these two? That is 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So before decimal point bigger unit, after decimal point smaller unit, and I want only one digit over here. Okay, so here you can see centimeter in millimeter only one digit is there. So here you can write 5, and this is for centimeter. This is 9.5 and the unit is centimeter, right? Now let us see a few more questions, and you can see here the question given is convert. Okay, here I am writing, say 8600 meter into kilometers. Okay, this you have to convert. Now what is the relationship between kilometers and meters? That is 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Okay, so the smaller is to be converted. So here I have to go for division part, that is 8600 divided by 1000, right? In 1000 3 zeros are there, so last 3 digits will be for meters, and before that whatever is given that stands for kilometer. Out of these two units, before decimal point bigger unit and after decimal point smaller unit, and 3 zeros are there, so last 3 digits for meters, that is 600 meters, and this is 8 kilometers. Okay, so 8 kilometers and 600 meters, and here you have to write bigger unit, that is kilometer. Okay, one more thing very important, this can be also written as 8.6 kilometers. As you know that they are all equivalent. 8.6 is one and the same as 8.60 is one and the same as 8.6 double zeros. Okay, so here this can be expressed as 8.6 also. Fine. Now, can you answer to this question? The correct conversion of 30 meter 5 centimeter is, which is the correct option? So how I can think? I have to think of the relationship between these two. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, right? So after decimal point, I should have 2 digits. The other thing I have to take care is before decimal point, bigger unit, and after decimal point, smaller unit I need to write. Now this is 30 meter, that is before decimal point I should write it 30. Fine. And after decimal point I have to write the smaller unit, and that is 5 centimeter. I have to write it in 2 decimal places. Okay, so how can I write 5 in 2 decimal places? That is 05. Don't write it as 30.50. When you write this one, it means, and again I explained that 30.5 is one and the same as 30.50 or 30.500 and so on. Okay, so don't write this can be read as 50 centimeter. It's not 50 centimeter, it's only 5 centimeter. So which is the correct option? 30.05. And you know that the bigger unit has to be written here. So this is meter. So this is the correct alternative. Fine. Now let us see few word problems. See the question given here. Sunita travels 15 kilometers 268 meter by bus, this much by taxi, and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her office. How far is her office from her residence? Now here you can see kilometers and meters question is given. That means I have to think of the relationship between these two units. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, that is after decimal point I should have 3 digits. Okay, so here 15 kilometers, that is before decimal point I will write 15, and after decimal point 268 meters. So here I will write 268 and the bigger unit is kilometers. Then the second turn is for 7 kilometers 7 meter. So 7 kilometer obviously before decimal point, that is 7 point, and this is 7 meter. So how to write 7 in 3 decimal places? That is I can write it as 007, and the bigger unit is kilometer. Don't write it 700, otherwise it will be 700 meters. Now the third part is 500 meter on foot, no kilometers. That is here 0 point, and 500, that is here I will write 500 kilometer. This is by bus. Okay, this is by taxi, and the other is on foot. So how much is the total distance covered? I will add up. So here 8 and 7 is 15. This is 7. This is 7. And 15 and 7 is 22 kilometers. So here her office is this much far from her residence. Okay. See the next question. Naresh walked 12 kilometers 35 meters in the morning and this much in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? So here we need to think of this relationship, and 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So before decimal point bigger unit, after decimal point smaller unit, and after decimal point you should have 3 digits. So here 12 kilometer, kilometer is bigger, so write it before decimal point 12. And this is 35 meters, that is I have to write 35 in 3 digits, so I can write it as 035, and the bigger unit, that is kilometer. And the second one, that is 2 kilometers, so before decimal point 2, and after decimal point 17 meters. So 17 meters, how to express it in 3 digits? So this is 017 and kilometers. Now add them up. So here 7 and 5 is 12, this is 5, this is 0, and this is 14. Okay, so what is the answer? That is Naresh walked 14 kilometers and 52 meters. Okay, this is 52 meters and this is for kilometers in all.